I'm gonna beat up on him.
Maybe you stopped up?
No.
Wanda, please.
What?
I can't concentrate with you making all that noise. Thank you.
It's so difficult.
Not one?
I'm just opening a letter.
Well, loud ass
Exactly.
person wants to send it. You got some loud ass mail. Look, what you gonna do? Follow me from room to room making all that noise?
What are you talking about? You're the one that said I could work in your desk.
Well, I knew you made more sound than a 50-piece orchestra. Where do you pick up that T-Rex from, huh? That snort, snort, click, click, honk, honk. I can't work like that.
You are such a...
Sweetheart, I'm sitting on the couch with Ellen in 2 hours. I gotta get my thoughts together, okay?
Oh, I see. So, when I'm cooking or running back, you don't have any trouble getting your thoughts together.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did. So now that I'm busy, you want to act like a spoiled brat.
I do not.
Tomorrow I'll get my husband.
Why you gotta wait? Why don't you do it now? Why don't you read through the paper and pacify me, get all the mayonnaise?
On the mayonnaise.
Maybe you stopped up? No. Wanda, please.
What?
I can't concentrate with you making all that noise. Thank you.
Loud ass pessimist.
Not one?
I'm just opening a letter.
Well, loud ass person wants to send it. Some loud ass mail.